natural juice beats 30 common sodas with these fruit alternatives. Join me as I take on the ultimate juice showdown, where I'll see if fruit can really beat over 30 different sodas. Ditch the soda and upgrade to a healthier alternative. In this video, we're counting down the top 30 fruit-based juice alternatives that beat out popular sodas in terms of taste, nutrition, and overall benefits. From orange and grapefruit to pineapple and mango, we're exploring the natural options that will make you rethink your drink of choice. Whether you're looking to reduce sugar intake, increase your vitamin C, or simply try something new, these fruit juices are the perfect substitute for your favorite sodas. So, which one will be your new go-to? Watch until the end to find out. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic, natural juices and how they stack up against 30 common sodas. With so many drink options out there, choosing healthier alternatives can feel overwhelming. But I'm here to show you that switching to natural juices is not only a smart choice but also a delicious one. So, why choose natural juices over sodas? First, let's talk about health benefits. Natural juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help boost your immune system and improve your overall health. Unlike sodas, which are loaded with sugar and artificial additives, natural juices provide genuine nutrition without the guilt. Plus, let's not forget about taste. Fresh juices burst with flavor that sodas often can't compete with. You get the authentic sweetness and tang of real fruit, making it a delightful experience for your taste buds. The problem with sodas. Alright, let's get into the first section, the problem with sodas. Many of us enjoy a cold soda now and then, but what's really inside those fizzy drinks? First off, the high sugar content. Most sodas contain a staggering amount of sugar, often upwards of 40 grams per can. That's about 10 teaspoons of sugar in a single serving. Consuming excess sugar can lead to weight gain, increased risk of diabetes, and a whole host of other health issues. Next up are artificial flavors. Sodas are packed with these synthetic ingredients designed to mimic the taste of natural fruit. However, they lack the nutritional benefits of real fruit. Instead of offering the vitamins and minerals that your body craves, these artificial flavors provide nothing but empty calories. The food additives and preservatives. And let's not forget about preservatives. Many sodas contain preservatives like sodium benzoate and phosphoric acid, which help extend shelf life but may have negative effects on your health. These chemicals can lead to potential health concerns such as metabolic problems and digestive issues. So, while sodas might be a tasty treat, they come with significant downsides that can impact your health in the long run. That's why it's so important to consider healthier alternatives like natural juices. Section 2, Why choose natural juices? Now that we've explored the downsides of sodas, let's shift gears and look at why you should choose natural juices instead. The benefits of natural juices are truly impressive. First, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that is natural juice. Freshly squeezed juices are rich in vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function optimally. For example, a glass of orange juice is packed with vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Meanwhile, carrot juice is high in vitamin A, promoting good vision and skin health. So, which one will be your new go-to? Watch until the end to find out. But that's not all. Natural juices are also loaded with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help fight free radicals in your body, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Juices made from berries, for instance, are particularly high in antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for overall health and wellness. And let's not forget about freshness and flavor. There's just nothing quite like the taste of fresh juice. When you drink natural juice, you get the vibrant, authentic flavors of ripe fruits and vegetables, and no added sugars or artificial ingredients can mimic that freshness. In a nutshell, natural juices not only nourish your body with essential nutrients but also provide a delicious and refreshing alternative to sugary sodas. Up next, we'll dive into how you can transform your drink choices by comparing natural juices to 30 common sodas. Let's get started. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post something new. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below and let me know what you think or if you have any suggestions for future videos.